Hello, and welcome to Blender 3D Architect. I'm Sarah, and today I'm delighted to introduce an exciting new update in Blender 4.0 that's set to revolutionize our work with precision modeling. For those of you who find Blender's snap tools lacking for your precision modeling tasks, I bring you some fantastic news. The Blender developers have re-engineered this tool, an improvement that can truly transform your 3D modeling experience. With this update, Blender will feel more akin to platforms like AutoCAD and SketchUp. So, you might be asking, is Blender 4.0 already out? Currently, Blender 4.0 is in its alpha stage and is undergoing significant development. However, we have the opportunity to take a sneak peek at some of its promising new features and tools as we speak. But what does this update truly entail? Let me demonstrate. Here I have a recent build of Blender 4.0 Alpha, and two simple 3D cubes present in my scene. These will be sufficient for me to explain the new feature to you. At first glance, if we open the snap options, it seems no different from previous versions. But let's do a quick comparison. We'll use the standard options available in versions 3.5 and 3.6, and then try the same with the new tool from version 4.0. Here's our task. I want to move this cube, taking this point as a reference, and place it on top of the other cube. The real challenge lies in successfully grabbing this reference point and placing it precisely at the desired location. I'll use vertex as the snap element and try to move the cube. Ensure you enable the snap, select the cube, and press the G key to start. Using the standard tools, you'd have to guess the best location to place your mouse and hope that Blender picks the correct destination point. So, what's different now? In Blender 4.0, we now have a feature called Snap Base. During a transformation, you can activate Snap Base by pressing the B key. Once you press the B key, you trigger Snap Base. With this new option, Blender allows you to pick an origin point. I will start with the exact same steps. The difference is after you press the G key. If you hit the B key to use Snap Base, you can easily pick a starting point. Next, you can easily select the destination point. Click there to place the object. For artists working with precision modeling, like architects, this is a substantial change. Let's try the same using a different snap target, like edge center. Notice how easy it is to move objects using the Snap Base option. Eager to try Snap Base yourself? Go to blender.org and look for the Downloads section. Under the experimental builds, you can download a test version for Blender 4.0. But remember, this version is for testing only, and you should not use alpha software for production. I hope you like this brief introduction to Snap Base in Blender. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Blender 3D Architect for more tutorials.
Bye!